case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The New York Supreme Court was tasked with an intriguing decision in 1996 within the Byzantine turns of the Byrne v. Byrne divorce case. At the core of a dispute was the matter of ownership and access to a laptop computer used by the defendant. In an interesting twist, the defendant was not the sole party in contention. The plaintiff and a major banking institution, Citibank, also laid claim. While used primarily for employment purposes, the computer drew attention as it possibly held personal financial records that were germane to the divorce proceedings. The plaintiff, who had removed the computer from their marital residence, propelled the issue into the legal quagmire, arguing that the defendant had stored personal financial and business records on the device, thus making them subject to discovery. Raising the stakes, the defendant rebuffed ownership, asserting that Citibank, where he worked, was the rightful owner. Nevertheless, the court looked past the employment use and honed in on the personal aspect, considering the defendant had control over the device and possibly chose to store sensitive financial information thereon. Leaning towards the plaintiff's argument, the court ruled that it acted within confines of the law when it took possession of the computer. With a proposed solution, the court ordered that both parties, accompanied by their respective computer experts, download all memory files on the computer. The court decision launched the process in motion, ensuring all parties had access to the information contained therein. Once all the data was safely stored into the court's guardianship, a list delineating the nature of the documents was supplied to both counsel. There was a slight detour factored in for the defendant's counsel to identify any documents that fell under attorney-client privilege and file a protective order, but only within a 10-day window. Once all the data was extracted, the rights returned to the corporate world, and the computer was returned to Citibank. Interestingly, all other applications related to the case were swiftly denied. The aftermath of the downloading process saw the non-sensitive, non-privileged data handed over to the plaintiff's counsel, signifying a partial yet significant win for the plaintiff in the bid for information.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.